So today I'm going to install an FMF Powercore 4 slip-on exhaust on my 2002 WR250F. It's a 4-stroke. The YZ250Fs will work just as well. But as you can see here, we got this old school exhaust on there, and we're going to go ahead and get that off. Alright, so here's the new FMF Powercore 4 exhaust. It's a slip-on style. Here's all the pieces it came with instructions. So first I'm going to go ahead and get this old one off and start prepping it. Okay, so I took off the side plate. I loosened this bolt but didn't take it out because I don't want to put pressure on these bolts, this one, and on the clamp. And also, just an FYI, I put WD-40 on these bolts yesterday so I wouldn't risk snapping a bolt. So now I'm just going to go ahead and remove this bolt and slide the exhaust off. Alright, sorry for the shakiness. So that actually came off pretty easy. And I'm just going to stick with the original header. Even though it looks old, still does its job. So I just installed the rubber gasket around the clamp. So it has grooves. I don't know if you can see that. So just working from the middle, I inserted the metal sleeve into the rubber gasket all the way around. And now I'm going to install it on the exhaust. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and slip on the exhaust and bolt it down, and then I'll show you what I did after. Okay, so the first step I did was slide this clamp onto the header, and then I slipped the exhaust back behind the frame over the header, and then I installed the middle mount bolt. I didn't tighten it, I just left it loose, and then I installed a spacer sleeve and went ahead and installed the bolts into that, again just leaving it loose so I can have room to wiggle around. I slid the clamp back over, I tightened it all the way down, I tightened the middle bolt and the rear mount bolt. So now all I have to do is install the spark arrestor. If you can see the hole down in there, it doesn't really give clear instructions, but that's where you install it. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so I installed the spark arrestor. I put my side plate back on. So here's the finished product. Looks way better, man. I put 2015 plastics on here, so it's the upgraded version of a 2002. Let's go ahead and start it up. Let's see how it sounds. Alright, so this is how it sounds. Louder, so if you're concerned about that with your neighbors, it's about the
aesthetic.